Today, I'm making a Blacklight t-shirt using the Vinci Eye app. First thing is you're going to want to cut out a piece of cardboard that is slightly larger than the t-shirt you are working on and place it inside. This helps prevent any paint from soaking through to the back. Next, you'll want to create a base layer. You can either use solid white or white mixed in with the color you want to have in that section. This step really helps the colors stand out, especially on dark fabric. Now we can start our first layer of color. From here, continue to build up your layers evenly. For example, do one layer of green and one layer of orange, then repeat the process. Try to keep your total layers to about 3 or 4. This helps the colors stay vibrant without becoming too heavy on the fabric and will also last longer through washes. Speaking of fabric, this t-shirt was especially difficult to work with. It absorbed the paint way more than I expected. So if you can, I definitely recommend sticking with cotton. It gives much better results. Now it's time to add the design. I am using the Vinci Eye app. It guides my drawing. It lets me overlay a digital image through my phone or tablet over top of my shirt. It makes the process faster, more precise, and a lot less stressful overall. This design was chosen by my son himself, which makes this project even more special. Once the outline is complete, I go back with black paint to define the lines and really make the design stand out. This step makes a big difference, especially under black light. You can also take this moment to add extra details and get a little creative with it. And here it is, the finished t-shirt. This is how it looks under regular lighting and now under black lighting. I think it turned out great. Try Vinci Eye today.